How to use different ChatGPT models. In 2025, the landscape of ChatGPT models offers an impressive range of capabilities tailored to different needs. From GPT-3 and GPT-4 to the more advanced GPT-4.5 and compact versions like GPT-4 Mini, users now have a diverse selection of tools, each designed for specific use cases and performance levels. Choosing the right one depends on your goals, whether it's creativity, speed, affordability, or cutting-edge reasoning. So today, we are cutting through the clutter. This beginner's guide will walk you through every major GPT model, what it does best, when to use it, and why it matters. Whether you are a content creator, student, entrepreneur, or just someone who wants smarter digital help, OpenAI's lineup has something just for you. Let's begin with the most streamlined option in the lineup, GPT-4 Mini. GPT-4 Mini is designed for speed and efficiency. It offers quick, straightforward answers to simple questions and tasks. While it does not specialize in complex analysis or creative writing, it's ideal for high-volume day-to-day inquiries. For instance, if you're wondering what time does the stock market open in London or you need 5 low-carb lunch ideas, GPT-4 Mini responds rapidly with sufficient accuracy. It also handles general tasks like setting reminders, generating to-do lists, offering gift suggestions, and summarizing stored documents. One of its major advantages is the low rate of usage limits, allowing users to interact with it frequently throughout the day. However, GPT-4 Mini is best suited to short prompts. For tasks requiring deep reasoning, such as multi-paragraph breakdown of economic inflation, it tends to deliver only basic or surface-level responses. It's a highly functional option for lightweight interactions, but not equipped for more demanding assignments. GPT 4.0, a balanced generalist. It provides a more balanced performance, making it suitable for a wide range of general-purpose tasks. This model offers stronger contextual understanding, better formatting, and improved linguistic nuance compared to GPT-4 Mini. For example, GPT 4.0 is well suited to composing a professional LinkedIn summary, creating YouTube video descriptions, outlining essays, or converting rough ideas into structured written content. If you ask it to list the pros and cons of remote work for high school students, it will deliver a coherent, well-organized answer that's both informative and usable. GPT 4.0 also supports image analysis and language translation. You can upload an infographic and ask for an explanation, or submit a product description and receive a fluent translation in another language such as German or Spanish. It integrates with voice mode, allowing real-time interaction using audio input and output, using for multitasking or accessibility. While not the most advanced in any single category, GPT 4.0 is an excellent all-round model for students, writers, marketers, and everyday users who need versatility and speed without sacrificing quality. GPT 4.5, high precision writing and tone sensitivity. It is built on GPT-4's capabilities with enhanced attention to tone, emotional context, and nuanced communication. This model is particularly valuable for professional, sensitive, or expressive writing tasks. It excels in composing emails, personal messages, campaign copy, and social content that require a refined voice. For instance, if you need to write a thoughtful apology, a letter of recommendation, or a social media post with emotional resonance, GPT 4.5 is particularly well suited. The model produces content with a high degree of polish and coherence. It also demonstrates improved factual accuracy, making it ideal for client-facing content, thought leadership, or personal branding. However, due to its higher resource demands, GPT 4.5 may have limited usage availability. This model is slower than GPT-4 or Mini, but it delivers writing that reads with professionalism and empathy. Whether you are writing a farewell speech, preparing a persuasive pitch, or crafting ad copy, GPT 4.5 can provide results with attention to both structure and tone. GPT-03, autonomy and analytical depth. It extends beyond conventional chatbot interactions and functions as an autonomous digital agent. It supports real-time web browsing, third-party tool use, image analysis, and complex decision-making. A practical example would be uploading a vague photo, such as a city park or architectural structure, and asking the model to identify the location. GPT-03 is capable of analyzing visual clues, running external searches, and offering evidence-backed answers. It can also compare software tools, conduct market research, and compile structured reports with visual aids. For professionals working in STEAM fields, software development, business strategy, or academic research, GPT-03 is a powerful assistant. It can stimulate data-driven environments, perform logic modeling, and generate visualization to support decision-making. It is most effective when used by individuals who require access to external information sources, custom workflows, or decision support tools. GPT-03 represents a step forward in combining generative AI with practical autonomy. GPT-04 and GPT-04 Mini High. Computational and data-driven tasks. These models are tailored for users with needs rooted in mathematics, data science, or technical problem solving. GPT-04 is particularly useful for generating, organizing, and interpreting structured data. For instance, consider a scenario where you run a small business and want to estimate profit margins. You could prompt GPT-04 with a query such as, "What is the projected profit over the next quarter if I sell 200 items at $50 each with $15 production cost and $10,000 monthly expenses?" The model walks through the calculations step by step and can even generate charts or visual representations. GPT-04 also supports synthetic data generation. This can be invaluable for developers and researchers testing apps, algorithms, or interfaces that require realistic mock data, such as fitness logs or user behavior datasets. The emphasis here is on clarity, accuracy, and mathematical reasoning. GPT-04 won't simply deliver results. It explains its logic, ensuring transparency in how conclusions are reached. It's ideal for analysts, product managers, and founders working on projections, pricing strategies, and operational modeling. Deep Research Mode. It is built for high-volume, in-depth exploration. It works more slowly than other models, but offers a level of detail, structure, and resource integration that is unmatched. Suppose you are drafting a comprehensive article comparing environmental policy approaches in Japan and South Korea. While most models might offer general commentary, Deep Research Mode returns a well-cited, multi-page response that includes context data and historical framing. This makes it especially effective for academic writing, technical briefs, legal summaries, and legislative reviews. This model is best used when time allows for delayed output. For example, you might submit a research request at the end of a workday and return to a finished draft the next morning. The weight is justified by the quality and depth of the result. It also supports summarization of long text, like white papers, case law, or regulatory reports, making it valuable for users in legal, policy, and research-driven roles. Each ChatGPT model has a specific purpose. Some prioritize speed and convenience, others specialize in structured writing, emotional nuance, mathematical rigor, or research depth. Understanding these distinctions helps maximize productivity and ensures you are leveraging the right model for your goals. Use GPT-4 Mini for everyday queries and quick tasks. Choose GPT-4.0 for general writing and formatting. OPT for GPT-4.5 when tone and polish matter most. Deploy GPT-03 when you need digital autonomy and external data access. Turn to GPT-04 for data-driven work and reserve Deep Research Mode for complex, time-intensive writing. By aligning the right model to the right task, you will not only improve efficiency but also get better results. If this guide has helped clarify your understanding of the current ChatGPT model lineup, consider sharing your experience or favorite use case. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.